Welcome back to another day. It is Tuesday today and we're in Albufeira. Albufeira? I think I said that right. My brain's not working to this hour of the day, even though it's like 10 o'clock. We are at a market here, so I'm excited to go around and check it out. Okay, everyone else is just walking to the car. I just quickly ran over here to show you what I got. So first I got a little Prada bag. It's fake, as you can tell. Also the symbol's a little bit crooked, so I'm gonna super glue that, but like she's kind of cute, so I got that. I also got little gifts for my friends. A little magnet and then a little coin purse. So yeah, it's cute. But now we're gonna drive and see a view. Okay, so we were just like down there and now we've like drove all the way up, or I drove all the way up. And now we're at this viewpoint. Look how pretty. We're gonna walk down there though. This is a view. It's the size of my face. I don't know why this is so big, but it's so good. We have these at Christmas time usually. Look at the view. Something really cool is these houses. Houses over here. They're all abandoned, but that's just because of like during construction, I don't know, they went bankrupt or something, so they couldn't finish them and no one's buying it, so they're just abandoned. They're like hundreds of houses. So it's been a little bit of time, but we went to appointments, that's why it took time. I got my nails done. I love the color though, it looks so nice. Yeah, the water, look how nice it is right now. So pretty. I don't know, we're just walking around, it's so sunny out, it's so nice, so relax. This is the baby heron. Like, what is this cute thing? Their leggies are so cute. Welcome to my last day in Portugal. Just kidding, it's not my last day because I'm coming back. But oh, you see that bug? Oh, last day until I leave to Germany and Italy, and then we'll have Germany and Italy vlogs. On the walkway they just built, so we're just, well, not just built, like a month ago. So, or the grand opening was a month ago. So yeah, we're just going for a little walk at a tent. It's finally sunny. I mean, to be fair, it's a little windy here. We're walking to the end, then we'll walk back, and then walk on the beach, walk the other way. Got our 20,000 steps in. And yeah, anything you have to say?
Oh, I'll just follow her.
Okay. That's words of advice. The beach. Such nice calm water today. So we're now on a hunt because my favorite thing to have here as like a little dessert from the Ola ice cream brand is a calipo. And I just went to one and they didn't have it. So that or a Filipino ice cream because those are really good. So we're gonna go to Alte now, but we're gonna go to the part where the waterfall is. We've already seen the other part, but we just want to see the things that we haven't seen before. And then we're gonna go grocery shopping. So that'll be exciting. Let's get going. We have made it to Alte. We parked here. Very nice. I'm gonna go to sleep in my little bed here and get my annual picture, but I wonder if the water's cold. Should we go touch it? Oh, she's cold. Got my bed here. Time to sleep. Okay, I just got my photos. Here they are. 10 out of 10. But now we're gonna go down to the waterfall, which I'm excited for. Go see Balthazar. Balthazar! Oh look, oh it's his lunchtime. Oh my god, I have like some anime. Look at him. He's munching. He was too busy ignoring us eating, so we'll come back after. But now we're gonna go to find the waterfall, which you haven't been to in what, 70 years? I mean 50 years. I was kidding.
Yeah, sounds better.
Yeah. Oh, we can go to the gym here. Let's do it. Here, want to film me?
How are you doing?
This is kind of scary.
You're too funny!
What? Oh! How does it go?
Oh wow!
The glutes? Oh, what do we do this way? Oh, so light.
You be in shape, girl.
My workout of the day has been done. Except we're gonna hike a bunch more now. On the way we go. Look at this view. So yeah, it's behind the cemetery. And now we have to walk all the way down this road and back up. The back up's gonna suck. I was hoping we could drive. Look how steep it is. Like, look how we're walking, like. And we're just thinking the way back up's gonna suck. She's holding on to me because she wants to take me down with her. This is funny though. I said, why can't we drive?
There you go.
You can't drive. Only the people with the orchards could because they're going to their fields to pick up stuff. But this is something else, isn't it? Well, we'll see you at the bottom. We're almost there. It's been a long journey, but we're almost there. Oh, there's lots of people there. They're all suntanning. We just found out there's stairs up there, so we can take stairs on the way back. We just came all this way without realizing, so that's okay though. Whatever. See, we could have gone up this way. We didn't know that was a thing. I'm just sitting on a rock. I can't lie, the water's cold and it kind of smells bad. But that's okay. It's cool, the water's nice. I wonder how like actually deep it is though. That's what I'm wondering. But it's so pretty. So cute. There's actually lots of people here though. Okay, I saw this like creepy hole in one of the rock walls. So I decided I was gonna crawl through and go see what it is. But I'm sure it's like nothing. There's so many bugs here. Ugh. So many bugs. Oh. See, look at this little hole. Oh, it's just full of trash. It's like a little cave they built out. It's just full of beer bottles. So now we're gonna go walk up the stairs. The view from the stairs. So pretty. And there's the town we just saw with the little Portugal flag. Anyways, we got like this many more steps to go. It's still so long. She needs to get our pictures. Even though you just said that was the last one.
Yeah, this is cool.
Oh. We have now finished our little run or whatever. And now we're gonna walk back up.
There you go.
I put this on. Oh my god, they have it, guys. This and then this one is also really good. This one and this one. These are my faves. The rest are, you know, meh. They're okay, they're okay. But I'm excited, my people.
1 week later.
This day already happened, but I filmed little bits and pieces, but I didn't intro it because I was like, oh my gosh, I need to film. But basically we went to a little festa in Paderne today. So there is a couple clips of that and that's kind of it. And then we went down to like the beach at night here just to see what's up, but it was really dead. So now we're back and gonna sleep and then have another fun day tomorrow, which I will film bits and pieces of. So yeah, I'll see ya tomorrow after you watch today's clips.
Mas aquilo vai comer junto com os outros também.
Oh, até outros do outro lado?
Quando eu tenho ali cuido.
So we've now finished our little buffet, which I didn't really film, but I filmed like kind of what it looked like. But I ate so much and I'm so tired and I just want to nap. But now we're at San Rafael Beach. We're just gonna walk down, have a little look. This is the beach. We're on top of the rocks. Bevo's freaking out. She thinks I'm gonna fall off the cliff. But it's so nice, the water. Look how pretty the color is. We're now leaving that beach and we're gonna head home. It's already like 3:30. So, see what else we get up to today. Look at the British bar. Oh my. No idea where we're going.
No idea.
Well, find out. Oh, yeah, I've walked down this before. The tattoo place right there. But we are just having a late night walk. There's not many people. Everything's like closed. What a sad night.
Finland has 2, Portugal
Oh yeah,
has 2.
there's a Portugal-Finland game and Portugal has 3. Finland has 2. But Portugal had 3 for the first half, so it's kind of like, oh no. There's only 10 minutes left, but whatever. We're walking. We're walking.
The next day.
I am on the last side of the plane. I've never experienced this before. I am now back home in the comfort of my home. It was such a long travel of like multiple flights, and then I had to like stay the night at the airport just to be able to take a SkyTrain to go on a boat and then come back home. So it's been a long time and now I'm ready to just rest, relax, start life up again back here instead of on vacation. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog and stay tuned for more. Bye.